What was that?
I don't know. At least we landed. Oh, look, there's my hat.
What are y'all doing here?
We were on our way to Kansas to deliver some GreenPleco Plushies, but we got lost because of a tornado. Do you know any other way to get there?
I would if I had a brain, but I'm just the man behind the special effects.
What about you, Raymond? Do you know how to get there?
I do. Follow the yellow brick road. They have flights to Kansas.
You mean walking? Do you know how comfortable these shoes are?
Take the horse, and they're called slippers.
I like that idea. Now let's go to Kansas and deliver some GreenPleco Plushies.
And then we're going home, Shadow, because there's no place like home.
Let's go!